Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today I'm making zaafi with ayoyo soup and some stew and fried fish. We start with, I have my ayoyo that I have washed already. I'll add some water and I'll be adding potash to it, that is kanwa. It will speed up the cooking process and also give it the slimy nature of it. You can also use baking soda for this process. So I'll leave the ayoyo to cook and I'll go ahead to start frying my fish. I'm just going to place it in the salt water for it to get some taste. After cleaning it thoroughly, I'll drain the water away and I'll go ahead to pour in my oil for frying. This is black pepper that I'm adding into all-purpose flour, and to this I'll be coating my fish with this all-purpose flour before I drop it into the oil for it to get fried. So this is it. Please, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please subscribe, and I'll also be glad to know where you are watching us from. So the fish is completely fried. I'll take it off the frying oil. Then I'll repeat the same process for the remaining fish. Ayoyo is a popular soup in Tamale, that is the northern part of Ghana, and can be taken with TZ, that is zaafi, and also banku. So it has been cooking for some time. I just set it aside and I'm going to prepare my stew. So with this I have tomatoes, onion, garlic. I also have green bell pepper and Habanero pepper. So I'm just adding my tomato paste and some seasoning cube. Red oil, that is palm oil, does the job perfectly, but you can choose to use other oil that you have. So I took one of the fried fish and I've added it into my stew. So as this is frying, I'm also frying the remaining fish. So I'm doing so many things at a time. And today again I'm doing an outdoor cooking. So the remainder of the fish is fried completely. So I'll take it away and set it aside. I have these kebab sticks that I'm going to use to beat or to whisk the ayoyo to make it smooth or semi-smooth. You may choose to use your blender for this process. I've added some salt to it. The blender will make it very smooth. Place a pot on fire and add some water. Then mix cornstarch with water. As the water is boiling, you open the lid, you add this mixture into it, and after some few minutes, when it starts to boil, you take away some and keep it aside. Then you now go ahead to mix your cornstarch and your kokonte. The kokonte is the dried cassava that has been turned into flour. So this is the combination that I'm holding. I'm just going to pour it inside and I'll keep on stirring. You have to be fast to prevent it from developing some lumps. So after stirring for some time, the one I set aside, I'll add it gradually into this one. So you can see I've added it in bits. I didn't add everything at a go. So I divided it into two. I added the first portion, then I'm adding the remaining one. So you keep on stirring till everything becomes smooth and well cooked. To know whether it is smooth, you can even see the texture or the color of the teaser changing. After stirring, you either scoop it into a bowl or you scoop it into this plastic rubbers. So I'm done, and now this is my ayoyo. I'm adding some dawadawa to it, and that is it. Everything is done. I hope you have enjoyed your stay on this channel. Hope to see you next time. Bye.